Hello guys, welcome my channel. Today I'm teach you variable universal life insurance. How can work insurance? I will give you the full detail. So let's start the video. We are the companies. You are specific universal versus variable life insurance. That man difference are the debt beginning the case of the value universal variable life and offer flexible the debt between they are slow. The cause of value, the growth will be life and the guarantee of debt economies has been generating protection for the cash value of growth. A lot of the both life insurance policies are the type you can have the using of mean different between variable life of insurance that both are the best high income and learning about these economies has been separated and many life insurance has been democrated the lower rate of life insurance are here to economy you can see here has been a guarantee minimum debt default you can add cash the value of prime paid increasing your debt making the loss of your low debt make investment management you can value of growth you can high management fee has been fixed prime payment no guaranteed debt and fix you can allow the ranking debt between life needed charges. Cash value growth is the slowly is not guaranteed. Many are the amount fees has been injured by the payment. Almost name of almost is been in both types of insurance. Life insurance value at the life of VUL insurance are the not the same policies are with written insurance. Variable whole life insurance is not. Universal life policies. Universal life has been guaranteed debt deflating but cannot adjust the debt between the prime payment will be has cash economy protection it caused the our loss of the cash values and lowers the debt prime fullness and many life has been earning protection but they are also lost of the making filters and economy cause of the value growth next but removing the causing of tigers and tablets and many other requirements are here to policies and you can cause the value of growthness has been many other values are the taxes unit of removal which code target has been moderating and many other moderator equation have followed these random steps. This is the today topic very life insurance today to finish. This is the today for topic I will give you full detail last you will subscribe my channel share my channel and like my channel inshallah I will make your next video tomorrow allah hafiz and thank you for watching and supporting.